my friends, welcome back to my channel. I have yet another review. I have been loving the reviews. I just been loving them. So I did a jewelry review last week, and then I did a clothing brand review the week before. Now I'm gonna do probably another one of my favorite type of reviews, and that would be athletic wear. So I actually did a first impressions of Beneunder clothing about, actually I think it's about a year ago, and I had some pieces sent to me. I told you guys I would wear it for a while. Now it's been a year, and then I would tell you what I thought about the company and what I thought about the clothing in general. Well, here we are a year later, and I'm so incredibly thankful for Beneunder for sending me additional pieces. And what I really love about this company is they have athleisure wear, like athletic wear, that makes you look classy. So I feel like sometimes when you wear like athletic clothing, you look, I don't know, a little tomboyish, which there's nothing wrong with that. But a lot of their pieces are just very like clean cut, very like feminine, but also like you could wear to like the store and not look like you're just like bumming with like sweats. You could wear it to anywhere really. I mean, maybe not like meetings and stuff, but actually I want to talk about this because this is a year old, but we'll get into that. But I just really like that. They're based out of Hong Kong. And to me, I feel like this is athletic wear elevated. So that's my first little like spoiler. But before we get into anything, like I wanted to just say that I'm going to show you the pieces, and then I'm going to actually style them with one of my luxury bags, because a lot of you guys like my content with luxury bags. So actually I use my LV bum bag as my like my athletic, like casual purse. I have a few other purses that I you know, like I like to wear with like work outfits, but my LV bum bag, I always wear it with like sportswear, like shorts, t-shirts, and I just think it looks so cool. So I wanted to style them with these pieces so you can see what it looks like on me, but also like see how I style it. So I'm going to do probably 2 or 3 days of outfits of the days, and so you can kind of see how it fits on my body, what my thoughts are, and so forth. So it'll be kind of fun. It'll be a little like vlog style. So yeah, I've already opened everything and tried everything. So what I really like is their packaging. Really like their packaging. It comes very substantial. Okay, so the first thing, we'll just quickly go through it because I'm going to show you what it's like to wear them and like, you know, style them. This is the, I believe it's their parachute pants, and it's in black. This material is so like breathable, so soft. It falls in the right spot on my like, well, I'm 5'2", it like literally falls perfectly. It has a slit, and it's very thin and very breathable, and it's not thin where it's see-through. It's like the perfect amount of thin. I got a size small because on the website it looked a little bit like baggy, so I did that. Love that. So that you can just wear hiking, you can wear kind of on a daily basis. Yeah, and then next, I am all about shirts that have padding in it, so I don't have to wear a bra with built-in padding. This is their black cami with adjustable straps. Love the ribbing on it. Fits me perfectly. It's a medium. And yeah, what can I say? I mean, the built-in padding's like, it's not, this one's not removable, but I know from experience, because it's been a year since I've received this from them. I wear this, no joke, probably once a week. It is their, can you see in the back? I wear this top once a week. I can just wear it like this around the house, or when I go to like swim, my daughter's swim practice, or just out and about, and it looks athletic. I've worked out with this, I play pickleball with this, And I've also even wore this to work. It's like white plain shirt, and then I put like a blazer on top. It's like moisture wicking. It's that perfect material that it looks athletic, but it also looks like super put together. You see what I'm saying? So this has a built-in bra. Love it. Very, very comfortable. A year later, have washed it. It's in great shape, stretchy. This is definitely my favorite shirt of like the whole year, no joke. I did have sunglasses from them. Someone stole them out of my car. Oh no, someone didn't steal it. I actually left it in a rental car, and then someone took it. So so sad about that. But anyways, and then so next we have this cargo Skort. It's adjustable like a strap, and it's shorts, guys, and then it is looks like a skirt. So super cute, two-toned, functioning pocket. It looks like you're going hiking. You look like you're going on a safari, maybe playing tennis, pickleball, but you can just wear it like on a daily basis and feel beautiful and put together. This is a size medium. It's not as stretchy. And then guys, Raffia sun hat. So a cool thing about this company is they have a lot of like pretty much a lot of sun protective wear, which I'm all about. You know, I love the sun, but sometimes, you know, you want to be out of the sun if you can. A lot of like hats and stuff. I thought this one was so perfect because like you literally, I mean, excuse the bangs, you literally can like wear it like right now and look super, super cute. I love that it's like very big, but really like it. It kind of gives me Dior vibes. I love it. Why did I do that? I messed up my hair. I don't know if I did. And then guys, let's get into the sunglasses to break up the clothes. I left this one in its box, but all their stuff comes in like incredible packaging. Like I said, everyone is individually packaged. Everyone is meticulously packed so nicely, and their like packaging's like wrapped up. I'll put videos up, but this is their sunglasses, and basically it comes in this top, this container, compact container that you can wear on your arm. Say you're hiking or going for walks, and then it's foldable. My second pair of foldable glasses, and it's this gray, almost like green color. I don't know if you can see. I think it's called gray. Guys, do we look like posh and chic, but we look like athletic? I don't know if it looks athletic, but I definitely can be like hiking. It's so, look guys, my test for any sunglasses is if I like go like this and move my head, if it slips down my nose, because I have such a small bridge. This is my second pair of glasses from them, and they do not slide. No joke, they do not slide, and I have issues with that. So they really, really mastered that for sure. Do we like? Should we pull it down a little bit? We love. I love. So that's incredible. I'm so sad that I don't have my black ones anymore. So I'm probably gonna have to order a black pair from them, but I really like that. Okay, lastly, this is a love or hate. This is their top. Love the color. It's like a corset top, and the way that the website has it is it's like, you know, you pair it with clothes and it sucks you in. This is a size medium. It is so hard to put on because it's so tight, because it's supposed to like suck everything in. But when I put it on, it looks so good. It literally sucks in my tummy, and I really, really love this color. It has removable pads. Actually, what's cool is they have two sizes of pads. Like these are like, if you have like, you know, the itty bitty committee, which is totally fine. They have like these super, super like massive like padding. You would be from like A to like a C. So I had to take it out. That's what initially came in. And then it had like a thinner padding to put in, and that's just more my jam, you know. And so like that they have like 2 different padding for different sizes. But boy, does this look good on me. So very sucking. It's size medium. I feel like it feels more like a size small, but yeah, everything fit really well. This one was just so tight, but made me look so snatched. But yeah, so those are my pieces. We're gonna try it on with the outfits of the day. All right, guys, I have my outfit for today. I am going to a swim pizza party for my daughter for her swim team. And so I wanted to, it was outside, it's like 90 degrees outside, so I wanted to be cool, but like athletic, but put together. So I actually have my top on. This is just a black camisole with no bra, so it's so comfortable, so comfortable. I have my Louis Vuitton bum bag on, and then I have this Skort. It looks like a skirt, right guys? It looks like a skirt, but they're shorts. So cute. And what I really like about this like whole Skort situation is that they're not super short. I'm not about short skirts. It's not my vibe. And so I really like how long this is. So yeah, I'm just gonna wear it in the front like that. This is my outfit. Put my hands in my pocket. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna add on the visor because it's super sunny outside, and we're gonna cover my face, but got my hair in a high ponytail and the visor. Absolutely love it. All right guys, here's my next outfit of the day. Let me try to get you out of the reflection. I'm gonna head to go do some errands, so I wanted to show you my outfit real quick. Got my sunnies on, and let's place you down. And I have my snatched, like the super tight top, and I love the color. I'm gonna take off the sunglasses so you can see my eyes. Got my LV bum bag. This time I'm just wearing it on the side of my, like this, casually. And then I have these pants on. Let me scoot back so you can see. So like this. And as you can see, the pants fall right at the bottom of where my feet go. So they are the perfect height for me. Love everything. And yeah, here's my outfit. Let's put the sunnies back on and then we'll be done. And like obviously all these like different pieces can interchange. Like I can wear this top with the Skort, or I can wear these pants with the other top. But honestly, I really like it. It's athletic, breathable, the pants. And now that the top's on, it's so like tight and very form-fitting. As you can see, it goes all the way down, so it like covers my stomach area, tightens up the tummy area, gets rid of all the little ruffly areas. So yeah, that's my outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, so now I want to talk about what I think about the company. From what you can gather from me, like showing you guys the pieces, you can tell I really love it. I tend to show things I love. I've actually collaborated with some other companies, was not impressed with their quality, told them that and said I had to tell the truth and post it on a video. And I said I'll either tell the truth or I won't do a video at all. And they're just like, don't do the video. So I've had actually a few times that happening. I'm very happy with these pieces. I like this company because like I said, if you take care of your packaging, which for me is all about marketing and sales, and if you have like cool packaging and you take care of that, then you obviously will be taking care of your clothes, I think. So to me, these clothing pieces are high quality. This has been a year, guys, and it's white and it's been staying white and it looks incredible. Like I said, I probably wore it like once a week. I wear it under sweaters, so I don't have to wear a bra, but have like a shirt. So I love the longevity of it. I wish I could tell you the longevity of the sunglasses, but like I said, someone took them out of my car that I left. Anyways, so I wasn't able to really like tell you what that's about, but everything else has worn extremely well. And that's pretty much it, guys. I will say, since they're shipping from Hong Kong, the shipping is a little bit longer. Returning, I do not know the returning, but I'll leave all their information in the description box so you can check out their website, check out, you know, that car. I will leave their website down below so you can like learn more about them and let me know what you guys think. But for me, I highly recommend them. And what can I say? I hope to collaborate more because I'm all about athletic wear, wearing at home, wearing out and about, and looking good at the same time. So yeah, I think the prices, lastly, I think that the prices are good for what they are. They're not like super cheap. They're not super expensive. They're kind of in the middle, higher range, I would say. But I think that the prices like are very legit for what they are. So I definitely, when winter time comes, I hope to collaborate because or I'll just buy it. They have like incredible like winter jackets with like heaters, like heating in it. Or was it a jacket or was it like a scarf? Either one, there was like a heating inside it, like I think of the scarf. Yeah, I don't think it was a jacket, but they have really cute puffer jackets. I definitely want to get that. So, all right, guys, I hope you have a beautiful day. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.